Hi everyone, welcome to the class module 6. In this module, we'll be treating how you can stay safe in cryptocurrency, how you can secure your wallets, and how you can avoid of being scammed in the crypto world. All right, let's go quickly into the session. Staying safe in cryptocurrency, security, and scam avoidance. All right. Number one, we'll be starting with common cryptocurrency scams to avoid. Now, cryptocurrency's decentralized nature and high value make it a target for scams. So, you being aware of this, we actually protect your funds. Now, I will be explaining to you on how you can prevent your assets from being scammed. Now, number one, you must be aware that there are phishing scams. And how does this happen? It can happen through the fraudsters impersonating exchanges or wallets. For example, when they send to you fake email address, to steal your private keys, yes, or login credentials. So you have to know how to avoid this thing. So never to click unsolicited links or share keys. Don't share your key with anybody. And when you want to click on any link, you must learn how to verify before you click. Make sure you check the websites very well. You check the spellings and all. So before you click on any link, make sure you do your thorough verification before you go into any link, before you log in with your credentials or before you click on any link. Number two, there are also Ponzi schemes. Now, in cryptocurrency, some people there was a time when they brought MMM, a Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. So, what do? They promise you high value, high returns for recruiting others. They maybe, for example, they may say when you register with $10, then after 7 days, you make $100. And if you can recruit people, maybe you invite people, so they will give you affiliate income. So you must avoid this. So be wary of guaranteed profits. Research projects thoroughly. Cryptocurrency will never bring anything like Ponzi scheme. So you have to note this. Now, another one is fake exchanges or wallets. Now, bogus platforms steal deposits or data. So you must avoid this. So you must know you must learn to use reputable exchanges or reputable wallets. For example, the like of the like of Binance, Coinbase, Gates.io, KuCoin, and so on and so forth. Bitget, those are reputable exchanges you can use. Why on wallets, you can use MetaMask, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use Phantom Wallet, Soufflare, and so on and so forth. So before you use any wallet or before you use any exchange, so you have to learn to verify. You verify from the reputable source. All right. So the next one is how to prevent. Now you're still treating on how to prevent crypto scams. The next one is phishing. The next one is a rock pool. What do you mean by rock pools? Now, developers abandon projects after raising funds. Now, they may launch a project, a developers, they may decide to launch a project. Then when they launch the project, they will wait for a certain period of time. Then before you know, all of them will sell off. Now there won't be any liquidity left for the community. That is what is called rock pools. Now you must, before you invest your money into any token or any assets, you have to do your thorough verification. So I will be explaining to you in the next class on how to identify road pools and how to avoid them. So you have to check, how do you avoid them? Check team transparency and smart contract audits. So I'll be explaining better in the next class. All right, the next one is giveaway scams. And they may be promising you, maybe they may come through fake social media post, e.g., if you say send one BTC to get two BTC, you know, in return. So you must learn to avoid this. You must learn to identify, ignore. You must learn to identify and ignore too good, to be true offers. So verify via official channels. So you have to learn to verify anything before you jump into anything you want to do. All right. So the next one is I will be teaching you on what's it called? Um so how to enable your 2FA in 2FA on exchange. Now you must make sure that any wallet you are using, you make sure that you enable your 2FA, which is for your security, and also on your exchanges that you are using, you you also enable your 2FA, you know, which is also for security, so that it protects, it protects your assets, or your token or your coin, from being scammed. People can scam you. Anybody can log in into your wallet, but your security must be tight. Your security must be tight. And that is why 2FA is introduced, to the crypto world. All right. So the next one is I will be teaching you on hot wallet and cold wallet. What do we mean by hot wallet? And what do we mean by cold wallet? Now let's begin with hot wallet. Now, hot wallet is an internet connected cryptocurrency wallet, meaning before you can use or before you will use hot wallet, you must be connected to your internet. Now, like mobile apps, on your phone, e.g., MetaMask, you can download MetaMask on your phone, or exchange wallets, e.g., Coinbase. Now, those are hot wallets. Now, on exchange, they now have Web3, which is generally known, as wallets, Web3 wallets, or alpha. That is where you can be trading alpha. I think on all the exchanges now, they just introduced that, out some just few years ago, maybe a year or 2 years after, thereabouts. All right. Or how do you use hot wallet? Now, hot wallets, they always make it convenient, for you for frequent transactions. You can be doing transaction on hot wallet frequently, and it will be very, very convenient for you, and they are also user friendly, but vulnerable to hacks. Now, hackers can hack, scammers can, if you, and that is why you must enable your 2FA, so that you will avoid or being scammed. And don't share your keys, in your private key to anyone, and make sure you use reputable platforms. So for large holding, if you want to hold large assets, maybe from millions upward, millions in dollars, now you must seek to go for offline cold wallet, which is your cold wallet. All right. So talking about cold wallet is an offline cryptocurrency wallet, meaning if you are offline, you can still interact with your wallet. Like that is cold wallet for you. Now, like hardware devices, e.g., your ledger, your Trezor, or your paper wallet. So they offer high security against hacks. Now it will be very, very difficult for hackers, to hack into this wallet, which is called cold wallets. Now, all right. So the next one is red flags. I will be introducing to you is red flags in cryptocurrency investments. Whether you like it or not, there are red flags in every business. You know, there is there is red flags, you know, there are red flags, in every business. Now, talking about red flags in cryptocurrency investments. Now, number one thing you must identify is too good to be true promises. Now, whether we like it or not, people will come with too good to be true promises. For example, the fraudsters, we impersonate exchanges or wallets, e.g., fake social media, fake MetaMask email, to steal private keys or login credentials. So you must avoid this. So never click unsolicited links or share keys. Verify websites very well. Make sure you verify the website before you click on anyone. All right. The next one is anonymous or unverified teams. Now, the teams must make themselves known. They must not make themselves anonymous. So, lack of transparent team info or unverifiable credentials, suggests potential fraud. Now, the developers or the team or the stakeholders must be well-known people. If not, these people, they will just rug your they will just go away with your liquidity, and liquidity is money. Now, the next one is no white paper or vague use case. Now, when there is no white paper or vague case, just like when somebody want to build a house and the person did not even think about building foundation for the house. So that is what it means in cryptocurrency when there is no white paper and they say they want to build a project. Now the plan, the blueprint of the house will tell us how the house is gonna be built. Now, so the same thing in cryptocurrency, we must see your white paper, we must see are your what what are your aims, what are your what are the things you want to benefit, you know you want to benefit, that the community want to benefit from the project. What are the things you want to implement, so for the project, before we can trust your project. So we must know everything about the project. We must know the tokenomics. We must know the total supply. We must know the circulating supply and all of that about the project. Now, the next one is suspicious transaction pattern. When there is suspicious, transaction pattern, they just got maybe rapid, high value transfers, or funds linked to high risk jurisdictions, may indicate money laundering. And anything money laundering, so it's something we should avoid, so that our image will not be tarnished. All right. So the next one is fake endorsement. Now, how does this happen? It happens when celebrity promotions, or hacked social media accounts, pushing coins are often fraudulent. You know. All right, so we must learn to avoid that. And also unregulated platforms, platform that is not regulated, like unregistered exchanges or wallet with weak KYC. Now, you must not use any exchange with weak KYC or wallet with weak AML. You know, so all these are risky. So these are the red flags in the cryptocurrency that you must avoid. All right, so now this will bring me to the end of this Odoo 6. See you in the next class, which is the last class, module 7. Thank you.